severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, southern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, western Dawson County in north-central Georgia, Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Pickens County in north-central Georgia, northern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sonorville, or 8 miles east of Calhoun, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calhoun, Jasper, Adosville, Ball Ground, Nelson, Waleska, Resaca, Talking Rock, Fairmount, Ranger, Sequoia Lake, Redbud, Folsom, Fawcett Lake, Talmadge, Oakman, Tate, Funkhauser, Hinton, and Sonorville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 report at NWS Atlanta.